Hi everybody, today we're going to install this Waterdrop water filter for a Samsung refrigerator. My refrigerator is a Samsung RF26X series, and this is a WD DA2900003G water filter. And it lasts about 4 months plus or minus depending on the usage. It's generally, I use the timer on the Samsung refrigerator to determine how long I should have a water filter active. On the Samsung, it says it needs to change the indicator when it's red. So with that said, we're going to take out the old filter.
So first thing you do is take out the old one. This is another version of the water filter that I got. And so you'll have to just unscrew it like so. Unlock. I use two hands because it's pretty tough. And you'll know it comes off, a little water drops off. That's cool. Peel the plastic thing off the new filter. Put it in. You'll see it match up somewhere. And then, that's what it is. Screw it in. And then you'll hear water go in. That's all you need to do. One thing I recommend you should do is put on the date. I replaced it in February.
Hold the filter button and it'll change to blue. And the very last thing you need to do is filter some water, about a gallon to 5, I think it's about a gallon, until the water is ran through and there's no debris in the water. Generally about a gallon to 2. Oh no, it's everywhere. The last thing you need to do is run the water to filter out the debris and settle the carbon that's activated now. So just run it with the water until about a gallon to 2 gallons until the water runs clear. I generally do it for a gallon, and that's all I do.
So this is how the water looks like when it's not fully activated. So you'll find some bubbles and whatnot everywhere. So just run the water a little bit more. Now the water is clear, and that's how you install a water filter. I hope that helps you, and thank you for watching.